Hello guys, in this video we're gonna teach you how to use Venmo. So it's pretty simple and this is really simple as I've just said. So I will teach you how to do it. So launch the application, hit pay or request of course. It's just either you send or receive. So if you're gonna send, you're just gonna pay right here and then scan a QR code or show a QR code to actually receive a payment. Enter a name if you want to send, enter the amount basically, and then you can even leave a note if you want to, and there you go. And then you just have to actually choose your action like request or pay in the blue bar. So if you want to request, you can do so, and then you just have to enter the denomination on how much you want to request or you want to send to that certain person. And then all you have to do is confirm that transaction and check your email for the transaction that has gone through, and that's basically your receipt. So there you go, guys. That is how you use Venmo. It's just that simple. That's simple in 8 steps, as you can see. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.